Hey everybody, my name is Chris. We're going to walk through a quick installation video on how to remove the old baseboard. Okay, what I use to cut my baseboards when I'm finished with my install is a battery sawzall. But if you don't own one, a hand hacksaw works just as well. A Phillips head screwdriver, battery powered, would be preferable. A Sharpie marker, a tape measure, and a pair of channel lock pliers. Let's get started. In order to remove the old cover, grab the bottom of the faceplate, lift up, and pull out. Same here. In order to remove the adjustable slat fin, what we're going to have to do is, the way I find the most simple way to do it is place both hands on both sides of the metal bracket inside and pull towards you. It will release the clip from the bracket. The next step is getting the old metal brackets out. The easiest way to do that is to take this pair of channel lock pliers, grab a few inches next to the metal bracket that's there, and lift up. Do that down the line. Once all the brackets are loose, the element should have some play. The easiest way to remove the brackets is gently pull out the heating element and walk the brackets out like this. I'm moving the brackets over to where I have the most play in the fins. This makes it a lot easier to remove them. Once the adjustable fin is removed, take a look and see how your back panel is secured. If you have nails, a crowbar and a hammer will work. In this situation, there's drywall screws. That's why I have my drill. Remove the drywall screws one by one. There may be some screws underneath the element, so it helps if you just bend the element up and take a look. Once all screws have been removed, the back panel should come out with ease. Today I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to install our baseboard cover. First step is to mark your studs. I have a stud buddy or a stud finder. This magnetizes to the screws and lets you find your studs nice and easily. I've marked the studs here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next step is I'm going to slide all the brackets behind the element. Most elements have a little bit of play in the center, so I find this is the easiest spot to get the brackets in. Just lay the brackets loosely in there for now. I'm going to go ahead and screw all these in. Make sure the bracket is touching the floor on the bottom. And I'm going to screw it in. And I prefer to use the bottom hole as well. Be careful not to over tighten the brackets. Just snug against the sheetrock or finished wall is fine. Okay, Now that all brackets are installed, it's time for the upper and lower back panels. I've pre-cut these to save some time, but the normal length is, I have your finished length here, and I cut it about a 1/2 inch less for a little bit of play. There's a curve in this upper panel. You want to make sure that curve faces you and is at the top. This panel just slides right in this groove that we manufactured into the bracket for ease of installation. The bottom panel is the same concept. Curve facing up and towards you. And this snaps into the bottom of each bracket, like so. You put the bottom lip in first and push the top in to snap in place. Okay, we're almost done. Next, I like to just fit the end caps in loosely to get a finished dimension on my final cover piece. End cap slides in there. End cap slides in here. And I will take my tape measure and measure the distance between the end caps. My measurement is 62.5 inches right to the end cap. I'll cut it about a 1/2 inch less for expansion and contraction. So 62 inches will work. You can easily trim our covers with a battery operated Sawzall, hand hacksaw, any way you feel comfortable cutting it. So I'll measure out 62 inches. Put a line there. Brush off the dust. And when you go to snap the cover in, grab it as wide as you feel comfortable. Put the top lip against the wall and slowly push down, making sure the top is behind each bracket. Once you feel the top is clipped on each bracket, you can go ahead and lock the cover down. Make sure the cover is locked to the bottom of each bracket, like it is, and the snap caps finish it off very nicely. There you have it, folks. Nice and simple, ease of installation. Any other questions, you can visit our website, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.